What's up, y'all? Another week, another video. Week 7, 2021, spring, summer, human made. Yes, thank you, Nigo. I know you're not listening to me because I'm pretty sure you already got all your shit lined up for what you're gonna drop each week. But I'm gonna take all the credit. Nigo been listening to me. He been watching my videos. He know what's going on. He know what we want. He been giving us what we want, which is that heat. And he been dropping it the past last weekend. This week he dropped some dope shit this week, and I caught something this week. I ain't gonna tell you what I caught, but I caught. But yeah, it was a dope ass week. Got what I wanted, and I didn't fuck up like I did. That video didn't come yet, but y'all will see that video when I had fucked up on some stuff. But yeah, new week, new shit, bought some shit. Still holding out on getting some other stuff, but I'm still debating on what I want to get from this week. If I still want to get it, I may or may not get it. Well, who knows? We shall see. But again, let's get right to the video. Let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so let's get into this week 7 of Human Made. I just got out the shower. I'm feeling so fresh, so clean. Got out work early, which was nice. It was nice to get out early for once. I'm gonna knock this video out and then just relax, chill, and you know, enjoy this little bad boy later. I had to make that quick because I don't know if YouTube gonna do some funny shit and trying to screw me over later. But yeah, I'm gonna knock this video out. Probably edit it in the morning before I go to work. And yeah, we're gonna get right into it. It's been a good week. It's been a good week, not even just human made wise. It's just been a good week for me. Why? It's just been a good week. That's all y'all should know. But yeah, let's get right into this drop of human made. Let's see what they got. Let's get into it. We're gonna start with the cut and sew. And one of the items that they drizzled was the yellow crew neck sweater. I thought it was really dope, but is there a but to this? Is there a but to this? Nah, I'm gonna say the but later. But anyway, nah, ain't no buts to it. Okay, I would like this, but this yellow is very, very loud for me. Hold up, get that lighting right there. But anyway, I like this crew neck sweater. Let me see. All right, I ain't getting it. But anyway, yeah, I like the crew neck sweater, that yellow. I can see some shoes that I want to get. There's some shoes that I really want to get that's yellow and black. They'll go nice with this. But one thing I'm just trying to try to not do too much is be matchy, if you know what I mean. I'm just wear different colors that complement each other instead of have a matchy outfit. But I really do like this design of the duck, to be honest. Like just swimming towards us. It says draws on the back duck and human made on the front. And I just thought this was really clean, dope, simple duck design. And you got the 3 stripes, of course, behind that duck. Why not behind this one, the big one? All right, let's see details. All right, so we got a stitch at the bottom. What side it is? The bottom left. Stitched in, and it's embroidered. It just says human made in cursive script. Clean and look like a green color too. That stitching of human made. So dope item. All right, I fuck with that one. All right, let's go back to the cut. So. Alright, this one I did not like. I would never wear something like this. Ew, I wouldn't wear this. I'm sorry, this is terrible. Another crew neck sweater with stripes on the sleeves and a big ass cheeseburger on the chest. Like just the whole, all that. I can't, I'm good. Y'all probably will never see me wearing any of these designs on anything that they have. I don't care how dope it is. I just probably won't wear it. It ain't for me. But yeah, they got this in red and white. It's alright. I like the draws though on the back. And they got it in like a dark green, like a dark pine green. Again, I'm glad I passed on this. And I think it's gonna be in stock for a while. Yeah. It's gonna be in stock for a while. This ain't gonna sell out no time soon. But yep, that's the second item that they dropped. What else they dropped? T-shirts on. Let's see. Come on, do math. There we go. Whatever, let me go through. All right, so they had the heart T-shirt. It's just a red heart, like a light red, like a. Oh, they changed some stuff on it. I just noticed that like the stripes are not like lined up. They're kind of off, if that makes sense. Not bad. And it says 2021. Oh, this come out. Oh, this for tomorrow. Okay, so 2021, February 14th. pretty cool. Pretty cool, not bad. Pretty simple, nothing too crazy. It's just been a while since I caught like an actual t-shirt from Human Made, because they haven't dropped t-shirts in a while. Like last season, they was just hitting, and towards like the last 2 months, you really didn't see no t-shirts. Like it was just non-existent. All right, so we're gonna go to jackets. So the jacket, I think this was the heater of this week from Human Made. Was a jean jacket. Oh my lord, look at them details, bro. Hold on, whoa, slow it up, man. All right, so if y'all don't know, Nigo is a big fan of denim, workwear. He's a big fan of like Levi's. If you go watch one of his videos he did with Complex, showing his, I forgot what you call it. Damn it, a Terry. I'm not gonna say it because I'm just sound stupid saying it. But it's like a big place where you could put your collection and stuff you value on display. It's like your own personal museum. It's like artillery. I'm not gonna bother saying the word, but yeah. So they got a denim jacket this week. I thought it was just so dope. It says Human Made in the heart, and it says Human Made up under it again. Well, Human Made. Why would you want it twice? And it just says draws right up under it. And I like it. I'm glad they embroidered this, because this is gonna last for a while, and I can see this reselling for a lot of money. Cause I think this is at least about I would say between 300. This is off the top of my head. Well, I have the price on the screen, but this ain't no cheap jacket. And I thought it was the biggest heater of this week. Look, God, it's so hard. So this is one of the jackets that they dropped, and we'll go to. I don't think they dropped any pants. Nope, no pants. Those are old. Shoes, I ain't worried about that. So goods, which is the accessories. Here's the hats. Let's see. Of course, again, I will not be buying these kind of, like anything with the food on it. I'm good, dog. I'm good. So I got a navy blue and a beige. I like the navy blue better. Come on, Nigo, can you switch it up? Can we get other colors besides blue and beige? But yeah, hamburger, cheeseburger, whatever. Embroidered on the front. Yep, nothing too special, nothing too crazy. I guess I'll show y'all the beige one as well. Is that beige? Better be beige. Be the same thing, different color. Bada bing, bada boom, bada boom. Alright, that's it for that hat. And the next hat is, I'm not feeling that. So y'all won't see me like copping. I don't know. If I'm wearing a hat, I need it to be the same color throughout the whole hat, not like two different colors on the hat. It just looks weird to me. I don't know. I'm not feeling it. But yeah, so these are colorways that they got. I don't mind this one more than the other one. This like this green and beige or cream, whatever you want to call it, a little bit more subtle. But I'm not really feeling the other two, like these two right here. Alright, so yeah, that's it for that. I don't think I have to go into the other colors, but if y'all want to see them, they are up close, whatever. Alright, let's go back to goods. And we had, I keep getting fucking navy blues, bro. Alright, so we got Human Made inside the heart. Simple, basic, not too crazy, straight to the point. I fuck with it. See that? I fuck with it. Had to bleep it out. Got kids watching. Them kids. But yeah, I like. If I would decide to get this, I'm gonna have to get the khaki / beige. Cause I got too many of these. Too many navy blues. But I like this one more than the other one. Way more. I would get this before the other two hats that they dropped. All right, what else? I think that may be it. Yep, that is it. Also, they still got some crates. They still have these up. Tempting. Very tempting. I'm not gonna cop it. But that is it for week 7 of Human Made Spring Summer 2021. I hope y'all catch y'all next one. I'm out. Peace.